Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Tricknology. So today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to fix slow internet in your Windows 10 computer. So you just need to follow me. So number one is disable peer-to-peer update. For that you need to open Runbox on your computer. Just pressing Windows and R button together from your keyboard, and after that you will get the Runbox over there. Now you have to type over there control update. So I will give you all this command to my video description. After that, click on this OK button or press enter. Now we'll get this Windows update window. So now what you have to do, you need to click on this advanced option. After that, scroll down and you will get one option over there is called delivery optimization. Now scroll down and you have to enable this feature is called allow download from other PCs. After that, you are done. Number two is limit your reusable bandwidth by Windows 10. For that, you need to open Runbox once again and type over there gpedit.msc. Now press enter or click on this OK button, and now you will get this local policy editor window. So now what you have to do, you need to expand this option administrative templates under computer configuration. Now expand network, and after that you have to click on this QoS package scheduler. After click on QoS package scheduler on the right side, you will get one option. It's called limit reusable bandwidth. So now double click on limit reusable bandwidth and click on this enable button. After that, bandwidth limit you have to set 0, and now click on apply and then OK. Number 3 is update your Wi-Fi or LAN Ethernet driver. For that you need to go to your Runbox, just pressing Windows and R button together. After that, type over there devmgmt.msc. Now press enter or click on OK, and after that you have to expand these network adapters. In my case it is Intel Ethernet connection. Maybe in your case it is Wi-Fi Ethernet connection or something. So just right click on your Ethernet connection and click on update driver, and after that click on search automatically for updated driver software. And as you can see, the driver is downloading and installing. So you have to wait for a few seconds. So after then, so as you can see, the Windows has been successfully updated your drivers. Okay. Number 4 is disable Windows 10 autotuning. For that you need to go to your start menu, and after that type over there CMD. Now right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator. After that click on yes. Now you will get this command prompt window. So now you have to put this command, it's called netsh means interface TCP so global. Now as you can see, right now autotuning level is normal, so you have to put this command to disable netsh TCP set global autotuning level equals to disable. Now press enter. So as you can see, showing OK. So now if I'll put same command once again, which is netsh TCP so global. So as you can see, autotuning level is disabled now. The last one is disable large send offload. For that you need to open Runbox on your computer and type over there devmgmt.msc and press enter, and you will get this window. Now right click on your Ethernet card and go to the properties, and after that click on advanced. So right now I am using IPv4 address, so I will select here IPv4. So if you are using IPv6, then you have to select this one, and after that value should be disabled. After that click on OK. Now you are done. So I hope this small video will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button, and if you have any queries or questions then comments down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Take care.